One thing I like best about David's shop is the transparency. They're always very forthcoming and showing you in detail their process of finding you the best deal and making sure that without any sacrifice of quality, it's just as good of a service as the dealerships, and at a fraction of the cost, and it is really explained very well, like how they're able to offer, you know, a much better price without sacrificing the quality that you would get at a dealership for repairs or service of any kind. So I highly recommend it because I've sat down and looked at the way they research, go through their computers, and use their networks of other reputable businesses in getting the best products at a better price.